Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best oyster knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best oyster knife. As long as you can get them out of their shells and enjoy them later, you got the job done. However, you need to do it carefully. Practically you could use any knife to shuck oysters. But finding the best oyster knife on the market will bring in better results and, more importantly, save you from hurting yourself. On the other hand, efficiency is another major point to consider. Number 5. eJoy Oyster Shucking Knife Set Clam. This oyster shucker is not only an oyster shucking kit, but also can open all kinds of shellfish. It is perfect match with our 5-level cut-proof oyster shucking glove. Main features: high temperature oxidation, ergonomics designed, corrosion resistant. Number 4. Wyndham Oyster Knife Shucker Set Oyster Shucking. Gloves made of highest cut resistance level material on the market. Thick knife blade is only sharp where it needs to be, making it perfect for the beginner shucker. Main features: 100% money-back guarantee, strong and sturdy blades, non-slip design. Number 3. Generic Open Shell Tool Oyster Shucking Knives. A bent tip makes prying open oyster shells easier. Soft, comfortable handle won't slip in your hand. Ideal for cutting and opening. Specifications: color brown. Main features: made of stainless steel blade, wooden handle, length 17.1 centimeters. Number 2. Dexter Russell 2.75 inches New Haven Style Oyster Knife. Series provides the utmost in durability as well as safety and sanitation. This knife is great for mid-large oysters with sizable gaps in their hinge. The stout blade gives plenty of leverage. Main features: Sony safe handle, made in USA, high carbon. Number 1. Oyster Knife with Cut-Resistant Gloves Set. This is a professional-grade oyster shucker with cut-resistant gloves set that is incredibly durable. Made of premium stainless steel, this seafood opener has the perfect rigidity. Main features: wooden handle and added safety, leather sheath, high quality. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.